I hear a train coming. It'll be coming from that direction and crossing in front of me. I'll try and get over here where I can get a better view of it. I'm at the Abbeville Mill community, what's left of it, the mill village and everything. Ah, he's coming. Southbound coal train. I'll try to look it up on maps and stuff. I haven't found it yet, but they say this coal train comes from the Atlantic Ocean from a power plant over there. They bring it through Columbia. It comes across on the CN&L and then jumps off on the Monro sub, which comes to Abbeville from Monroe, North Carolina, crosses over and merges with it for a little bit. And then they take this train to Greenwood and to Abbeville, down to Atlanta. I went through the depot a while ago. I didn't see a signal lit up or anything, so usually I got 13 minutes. If they got a green light, it takes about 13 minutes to come from Greenwood to get here. So if I see a green light, I know I can wait for a train. Alright, he's going to go from Abbeville to Cow Falls, then he jumps across the Savannah River and goes into Elberton, Georgia, and eventually ends up in Atlanta. And they'll turn around and go north on the old L&M lines, I think, and head up to Kentucky. That's where he loads at. We got DPU coming up. I can hear it. Mid-unit DPU. It's not on the bottom end. Looks like we got somebody doing the same marks on a lot of these cars. So these cars getting tagged by the same person over and over. I don't know whether it's in Kentucky or down near the ocean or where this guy is doing that. We got some more up there. You got that car, you got that car, you got that car, and that car. Mad SEM or something. This is a long train here. I can still see it down that way. Tubby. Guy named Tubby got these cars. He's probably running out of room to write stuff, isn't he? Alright, that's Highway 72 bridge. They rebuilt that years ago. They built a shoe fly track that came off to this side and went around that bridge and went right back in down there. And then they built that bridge and then they took the shoe fly out and started running trains over it all. Alright, thank y'all. Bye-bye.